What I'm doing now is going to put the phone mount on. See, that's how you do it. See, this screw goes into the back of this, and then this goes together like this. And there's your Allen wrench that fits it. Don't ask me what size it is, because I don't know. Let me see if we can do that without taking that screw out. It wants to come out from underneath there, doesn't it? We'll just press it together. Center that right above the handlebar adjustment. Okay. That rubber is gonna need to be tight. You need to tighten this down because this rubber has a lot of play in it. That's it. One thing you don't want to do is scratch the handlebars. Ah, I knew that was off a little bit. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's probably all it needs. Okay. There you go. That's good. Ain't going nowhere. Okay. You got MoonCool in the face. I like that. What I have is a flip 5. Oh. Let's back that off. Put that there. Tighten it. It has a foam cover, so . Sure she's tight. She's coming on. And what I want to do is not what other people do. So I'm going to do something different. Here's my Charlie 2. As you can see, it's 11:05, December 17th, Tuesday. Slide it up, grab YouTube. I haven't seen anybody do this before. Top U.S. and world headlines. Democracy Now! Democracy Now! Today. So.
This news is funded by viewers like you. Please support our work at democracynow.org/give. Welcome to Democracy Now!, democracynow.org, the War and Peace Report. I'm Amy Goodman. In Gaza, Israeli troops backed by armed drones have attacked. This comes as a new investigation led by Senator Bernie Sanders finds Amazon systematically ignores and rejects.
I also got my Bible in the back, and I got my toolbox in the back.
Misrepresents workplace injury data.